welcome back to the vlog. Channel. Anyways, today I'm going to be going to Rock Hall with my church for our college students trip because now I'm a college freshman. And with that being said, I obviously have to get ready, which I'm ready, but I have to be prepared. So let's take a look at some of the things in my bag. First thing I have in my bag is my wallet. Then I have some bubbles because I got this from the trip last year when I went to the high school because we have both college and high school. My essentials bag, I have different products in here. A towel because it's a beach. Extra flip-flops. Oh my gosh, sunnies.
Wow.
I have a plastic bag for keeping my swimsuit afterwards because, baby, ain't nobody trying to carry no wet thing in my bag. I have a sweater because we stay at a bonfire to make s'mores, and I just don't want to be bitten by insects. I have some. This is Irish Springs body wash. I've had this for a while. I brought it mainly because I know it's not good to use Irish Springs on your face, but after swimming, obviously, just trying to freshen up. So I didn't remember that I had that. I found it because it's gonna be hot. Okay, I don't know where the stain came from. I don't like that. SPF 50. Here I have my technology stuff, my power bank, my digicam, and earphones. But I'm going to go with my other ones because this particular one only has one ear working. And when I'm on the kayak, I'll use that one. I'm in the car, I'll use my actual jorts because I have to bring a change of clothes. I have a white tank top. It says rock forever, rock every day. This shirt is quite old. This is this swim type of thing. I want to wear it to take pictures on the beach. It's cute, right? There's a lot. Finally, I have shorts to enter the pool. We have folded inside out right now, but it doesn't matter. That's okay. And obviously, my swimsuit class. I don't have any pictures showing myself from the Rock Hall, like here, but I'll insert some clips. So this is what's in my bag. Let me put them back inside. Now that I've repacked my bag properly, there's something I actually want to do. So being a graduate and all is amazing because gift cards. So I want to load these up before my friend gets here and we go to my church so that we can leave. So see you guys next one at my church. And this is where I'm from, Washington DC, and this is the map of this area. Here I have my swim dress. Well, I have my swimsuit under, but I have a swim dress right now, and I'm excited. I'm not going with this big bag. I'm just doing it for the aesthetic. And swim shoes.
I feel
I'm feeling
bonita.
Guys, I'm gonna put a clip of my hair last time I went here compared to my hair now. 1 year's worth of growth. Here's the Polaroid picture I took. It's so cute.
You can take that. Don't lie.
someone took of me. Same difference. Hey, look, the film is so pretty.
Let's go.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get a wave.
Oh, I almost stepped in the sand. Here we are at the beach. Gonna have fun. Oh wow. Look at all this. It feels so weird in the swim shoes walking in the sand. This is crazy. Imagine if I was wearing flip-flops.
Inner Harbor.
Sorry. Leaving the beach. My ice cream. There's some. Guys, I saw BB Go here, and the reason why I'm saying that is because BB Go isn't it also in business proposal? I'm crazy. Look at all this. Like, this is actually vintage. Like,
I had one of these. Built the car. You know, literally.
look at the movies. What the heck? This is crazy.
Joe Jackson. That was not so good. Right.
The skinny is sunset. Wait, you guys, I'm sure it'll work. And they're all working. And here we have American Rock Roll Service. We have the Peanuts and we have cars. Mater, Lightning McQueen, and the whole crew. And the blue one. Back from ice cream and also I'm just wearing some simple to decompress because I am tired.
Jeans multiple times.
I'm sure I have.
Miss Kim wears jeans. She wears jeans all the
see her
time.
more frequently than them.
Not sure.
Oh yeah, she's always got it.
So we're going back home from Rock Hall. Thank you guys for watching my vlog today. See you guys in the next one.